Hello everyone, welcome to Kids Learning Buddy, your own learning buddy. So mommies, आज के हमारे वीडियो में हम जानेंगे पार्ट्स ऑफ द प्लांट के बारे में. बेसिकली ये टॉपिक जो है यूकेजी में बच्चों को इंट्रोड्यूस करवाया जाता है. प्लांट, उसके पार्ट्स और क्या क्या चीज़ें प्लांट्स के लिए ज़रूरी है ग्रो करने के लिए. What all things plants need to grow and different parts of the plant and also their functions. तो आज के हमारे वीडियो में हम इन्हीं सब चीज़ों के बारे में जानेंगे. सबसे पहले शुरू करते हैं हम parts of the plant के बारे में. That what are the different parts of the plant. Here I have one picture of the plant. And first thing which you should introduce or explain to a child regarding with the plant are the roots. With the help of this picture, we will explain to our kids the first part of the plant we should introduce them are the roots of the plant. So what are the roots? What are the function of the roots in a plant? Roots are that part of the plant that hold the plant in the soil. Roots जो है एक plant को soil के अंदर बांध के रखता है, उसको पकड़ के रखता है. So roots are that part of the plant which hold the plant in the soil and also they absorb the water and the nutrients from the soil. ये फंक्शन होता है रूट्स का. Roots hold the plant in the soil and also it absorbs the water and the nutrients from the soil. These are the function of the roots, and always you can tell that roots are always under the soil. Roots you cannot see from your naked eyes. It is always underground. Soil के अंदर या ज़मीन के अंदर roots जो हैं दबे हुए रहते हैं. Like this you have to explain to your child. You cannot see the roots above the ground. They are always below the ground. Okay. Now next part is the stem. So this part is called the stem of the plant. Now what is the function of the stem? As I told, this is the stem, and the stem carries water and nutrients from the root to the different parts of the plant. This is the function of the stem. Stem carries water and the nutrients which are there in the root to the different parts of the plant. Different parts like flower, leaves, and also some plants have fruits. So it basically acts as a carrier. It acts as a carrier to provide food and other nutrients, water to the different parts of the plant. So this is the function of the stem. This is stem, the thinnest part of the plant, and it carries water and nutrients from the roots to the other parts of the plant. The next part of the plant are the leaves. These are the leaves of the plant. Now what is the function of leaf, or what are the function of leaf? Leaf makes food for the plant. Leaf makes food for the plant. It takes in the air and the light that a plant needs to live. It is also called the kitchen of the plant. Why it is called the kitchen? Because it makes food for the plant. लीव्स जो है वो पूरे प्लांट के लिए जो है खाना बनाती है, फूड बनाती है. And it is also called kitchen of the plant. It takes in the air and the light that a plant needs to live. So this is the function of leaves. Now next part is the flower. Now what is the function of the flower? Flower is very beautiful part of the plant. It is easily recognizable. आसानी से इस पार्ट को हम पहचान सकते हैं. बहुत ही खूबसूरत पार्ट है ये एक प्लांट का. And the function of flower is that it helps the plant to reproduce. It makes the seeds that will grow into new plant. As we all know that this inner part has the seeds, and when the wind blows or the plant moves, the seeds from this part it fall into the soil, and again it's getting water and sunlight, and from that part where the seeds had fallen down, again a new plant comes out. So what is the function of a flower? The function of a flower is that it helps the plant to reproduce. It makes the seeds that grows into new plant. And also flower is the most beautiful part of the plant. So these are the 4 parts of the plant basically we learn in upper KG. Now we move on to the second part of our learning regarding a plant. That means the things which are required for a plant to grow. Things which a plant require in order to grow. Now let us see what are they. So first thing which plant require to grow is soil. The first thing which a plant needs to require in order to grow is the soil. The second thing being the sunlight. Sunlight being the second essential need for the plant in order to grow. The third being water. The third essential thing is the water. And the fourth essential thing is the wind, the air, which we cannot see, but it is a very essential part of the, essential need for a plant in order to grow. So these are the 4 things which we have discussed. These are the 4 important things which a plant needs to grow: soil, sunlight, water, and air. And also we have discussed about the parts of the plant. Similarly, this can also be turned into a worksheet. आप एक flower का जो है, or I think your child can also draw a flower, a plant with roots and all the other parts, and just they can label it. And orally also, if they have understood well the function, they can explain you. This is the most simple worksheet which you can give to your child. You can just make the boxes and you can tell them to label all the parts of the plant. I hope आज का वीडियो आपके लिए हेल्पफुल रहा होगा टू अंडरस्टैंड द पार्ट्स ऑफ द प्लांट एंड द थिंग्स which a plant need to grow. I wish you all the best and happy learning.